Hello, I'm Maria and this is my channel Planners in Practice. Let's talk about New Year's resolutions. I can argue that planning could be the one that's just right for you. Let's dive into it. There are various different benefits to planning. One of them being reducing the mental load, especially if you're a busy professional, a student, a mom, some or all of the above. Reducing that mental load is important. Another benefit is that it provides mental clarity. Just being able to offload everything that you hold in your head onto a piece of paper in some shape or form, it really helps know that you've got everything covered. It also helps with prioritization, being able to lay out all your tasks, ideas, and things that you need to take care of provides you that clarity and bird's eye view where you can decide what matters most and where your time, energy, and focus need to go right now. System for keeping yourself motivated. When you see your progress of those habits being built day in and day out, it makes you much more likely to keep going, to not lose your streak if you're a Duolingo fan. The whole idea about planning is that it helps us make progress on our most meaningful goals. There are different kinds of planning that require different levels of commitment. If you're just starting out, maybe journaling is the one to try. Over time, as you start experiencing the benefits of that, you can add more and more prompts and maybe graduate to a pre-made planner. Over time, as you know what you like and what works for you and your life situation, then maybe you can start with bullet journaling, which is this more elaborate, do-it-yourself, create every page and decorated thing if you really feel like it. That requires quite a lot of effort and time, but if you have the time for that and it's your creative outlet, then brilliant. The important thing is to pick a style that works for you and your life situation and stick with it and actually use it. That's the thing with planning. It's one of the trickiest things is to keep going. But that's where the goal is. In order to see benefits, we need to keep going. I've been planning since 2016 and I know that I've had my bit of on and off, but I always come back to it and I always know that that's the thing that moves me the most in the right direction. Whether that's been country move, finding a job, organizing my life, living life with kids and keeping track of all of the zillion appointments that you have to make, or just a creative hobby, it offers a system that is guiding you as you're finding your way. There is no shortcut to just snap your fingers and then start living the life that you want. It's about effort, it's about showing up, and it's about consistently building habits so that you become the person that you want to be. Planning offers exactly that, helping you get there. If there's one thing that you took away from this video, please just go and implement it. Just try something, make the smallest, tiniest step right after this video. Close the phone or the tablet or whatever device you're using to watch this and just go and do something for yourself. Your future you will be thankful, I promise. Thanks for watching, I hope you found it useful. If you want to see more, let me know in the comments and have a great day. Bye!